the crowd, but I only...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today we're spending the day cleaning the kitchen, the living area, and the dining area with a little bit of laundry and then a dinner recipe at the end. Nothing big, just something super simple. But my mother was coming to visit us in a few days and I wanted to make sure that the kitchen, especially the kitchen, was nice and clean because she always wants to cook. So she's always going through cabinets and pantry and the refrigerator. So I wanted to make sure that everything was nice and organized. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video.
not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. You just come running back.
Wow, wow. I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me.
All right, and of course there is a random ladder in the dining area. So my husband had to bring home a ladder so I can reach the crown molding in my stepdaughter's room. I am doing a makeover in there, and the only thing that is left to do, or at least the only thing that is left to paint, is a crown molding, and I have not been able to do that because the step ladder that we have is still too short. I still can't reach up there. So my husband brought home that ladder. So I am almost done with that room. I cannot wait to share that with you guys. I'm super excited. It just looks like a completely different room. I am so excited to finally get it done.
There's something about the way you move, and I try to follow you, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Wow, wow. Make it worth your while. Wow, wow. In sunlight or in the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Wow, wow. Make it worth your while. Wow, wow. I'll make it worth your while. Wow.
All right, y'all, and here is our dinner on this night. So we love stuffed peppers, so I went ahead and picked up some ground beef. I go ahead and brown it, and after that's done, I go ahead and drain all that nasty grease and of course season it. I season with all kinds of seasoning, so I can't sit here and tell you half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of this. that's not how I cook. I season with my heart, I guess. I just don't like when people measure out the seasonings. If you're doing a recipe, you're following your recipe, that's great. I'm just more like my mom. I kind of just season as I please, I guess. I don't know. But after all that gets nice and drained, I go ahead and add the block of cream cheese, mix that all up, and then I cut my peppers, I wash them, and I pat dry them. And that's it. I stuff them, and then I add a little bit of cheese on top. Put them in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes, and then I put it under the broil for 10 minutes, and that is it. You have yourself a delicious meal.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness hadn't fought it, just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You got it.
All right, y'all. So these peppers were delicious. We just ate them by themselves. Sometimes I'll make rice on the side, but my son and I decided we didn't need anything on the side. We just had the peppers by themselves. And actually, one of these is super filling because I just had one. My son had two, but I had one and I was stuffed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.